How to delete your Instagram account permanently without password. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your Instagram account if you have forgotten its password. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into it. So the very first thing that you do is simply go ahead and open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Now head over to your profile section at the bottom right and then go to profile. So from here you can just tap on the menu icon at the top right and head over to account center. Now once you open up your account center, you just want to scroll down until you see your personal information or personal details. Just tap on it, then head over to account ownership and control, and then from here you'll have to select deactivation or deletion. So you'll have to choose which account you want to delete or deactivate. So I'm just going to choose my main Instagram account for now. Now, once you do that, you can choose if you want to temporarily deactivate or just completely delete the account. If you want to completely delete the account, choose the second option. And then here you can choose your region. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. But in this case, what you're going to do is click on forgot password if you don't remember it. If you have the password, that's great. Otherwise, they'll send you a reset link on your email and you can reset your password from there and then you can completely delete your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next video.